clipper. Hey, I buy clipper. Bakabi. Hey, I buy clipper. What? Hey, I buy clipper. Bakabi.
Buy clipper. Hey, I buy clipper.
Bakabi.
Buy clipper. Hey, I buy clipper.
Yes, hello, welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who is watching, wherever you are. Yes, today I'm so excited because we are going to be looking at a very nice hairstyle, and this we call it a branchy braids. So please, if it's your first time to see this hairstyle and if it's your first time to be on this channel, I would like you to click on that red button, ring the bell, so that we can start with you, and we always upload videos every week to make sure that you learn. So this time around I'm starting with the inward knotless braiding, as you can see. And of course, to those ones who have been following me, I always tell you that this method is the best since it lasts longer. And again, when you want to when you're doing a retouch of this hair, it is very simple. You can always lock it and it looks perfectly. So we're going to do this, but as we're doing it, we just have always to make sure that we make our lines very perfectly by just doing these. You always have to first make the sketch before starting. So I'm choosing this one and this one according to how I'm doing it, to make sure that is very lined, it is arranged very well, because all about this hairstyle is to arrange these boxes very well so that you can achieve this hairstyle. So let's continue with the inward knotless braiding like this. Now, while achieving this hairstyle like the inward knotless, we are not going to we can choose to add in the extension, but of course when the hair is a little bit fine hair, those ones with weak hair, yes, you can add in an extension. But I would advise, like, those ones with thick natural hair, even if you don't add in the extension, because it doesn't matter doing that. So let's continue and see how this is going to be looking like. So these are the branchy braids, and of course this is how we add in the extension. Very simple. In this way, those ones who have been following me, we just do this very well, and you see like the braid is going like flat down in a nice way. And then when you're trying to add in the extension, please don't make it very tight. Don't make it very tight. You can always make it as soft as possible, yes, so that, because at the end of it all, we're going to have these we're going to have the how they call, we're going to add in the extension, sorry, we're going to add in the extension, so we don't need to make it very tight, because when you add in the extension, there's that weight that is going to add on the strand, and then again you find if it is very hard, it might bring that tension. So we have to make it as flexible as possible, so that even the extension also, when the extension are added, it becomes like more flexible. You understand? So this time around, this is how it looks. Let's try to do it faster so that we can reach at the main point the way we want it to be. But all in all, I can say, just make sure that you arrange very well your boxes. You arrange them very well, so that even this when you're done adding the extension, it will come out very nicely. So looking good of this hairstyle is all about the foundation. It's all about these braids that I'm doing right now. So it's just by adding this, and then you have to make sure that even the extension you're adding, it is not that very big to make it too tight. You understand? Yes, and as I said, to those ones with thick hair, even if you don't add in any hair extension, you just do it with your own hair, it will also be very okay. So let's do it. And this time around, I would like to remind all those ones who are going to start watching my live, and please, you can also join you can join our membership. Yes, join the membership so that we always have those one-on-one lessons that we are going to be having on our lives. So this time around, let's start adding the extension. And now, the way of adding the extension, we're going to do it like this. Is if you have any hair extension, I always want you guys to make your minds wide. You understand? Like, don't focus on only one thing. You might find like the extension that you're having can do a lot of things that you even didn't know. So this time around, I'm using this we are using this Afro Ball Kinky, and it is very nice if you try to look at it. Yes, since we want to bring that that look of the natural hair look, so you can also do it this way. And now let's start doing the twisting. So we are doing it like the spring twist, and those ones also have the spring twist extension. You can also still use that same hair extension because it also works very well. So this time around, as the way I say that this hairstyle is called Branchy Braids, as if you try to look at how we're adding these extensions, you just add them on the strand, like to make those branches. You understand? Like, yes, you add them on the branch to make those branches so that it looks very nice. And I believe when we do that, you're going to love this hairstyle. So let's continue and see how it is going to look like. My name is Maurice, the crochet master.
Tolina Chongamba. Number one, you know. A big thing this. Bano number one. Boli chimuba chikola from the art. Obukugu wapulo. The moli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master movie, he might run them.
And of course, here is our last strand, and this is how it looks. You can see it is already looking very nice and parted very well. Even already you can see, I would like, maybe if you're trying to arrange your lines, make sure that you give the person you give a chance to style all this hairstyle like everyone she wants. Like, it should be a free hairstyle. Like, maybe if I want, I can do a sideways. If I want, we can do it in a middle way, and still if we do want it, we can still do it behind, and then we can hold a puff, something like that. So when we're done with that, of course, our anti-itchy oil MDC hair products is available, and we always have to add it in there because it is 2-in-1. It boosts the hair, and again, it is very nice when it comes to the anti-itch of curls. So this is how it looks, and we do it this way as we're trimming, and trust me, you're going to love it. So as I'm doing it, you can see here in the middle it works, and when it was a sideway, it's also going to work. Now these are the branch braids that I was trying to tell you, and please, if you like the video how it looks, please make sure that you give me a like, and if you have any question, I'd like you to add it in the comment section, and I'll be there to answer you as soon as possible. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and all the Muslims, happy Eid. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And yes, those ones who are of the watching, may the Lord bless you all. Bye bye, see ya.
Tolina Chongamba. Number one, you know. A big thing this. Bano number one. Boli chimuba chikola from the art. Obukugu wapulo. The moli muyiga bona bachiso. nobody can ever run them. Crochet master move, him a run it. Uchenviri bakubwa, balinga high grade, quiver summer. All of them are styles, them are do for you. Them a make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here by creepers, yeah. They are by clippers fire. Dolina chongaba. They are by clippers fire. Oh no no, Dolina, Dolina chongamba, 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 Dolina, yeah 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 yeah. A number one project master, Morris.
Number one runner.